take 7. Not even kidding. Hey everybody, this is Karen from Waterfall Acrylics, learning how to speak. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Before I get you down, I want to tell you a couple things. One is, I know in the last video I said my website would be up and running by September 15th. It's actually ready now. So I think I'm going to pull the trigger right after this video airs and go take a look. One of the best features, I think, that's really important is there's actually art for sale. Because I haven't loaded anything in about 8 months. There's going to be a whole bunch of new pieces that weren't filmed, that are brand new, that I know you guys haven't seen before. So that's one. And two, a couple folks have reminded me, are you doing another Bloom Fest? Are you doing another Bloom Fest? And if I do one, I need to start planning now. So a couple options is one, have it here in my hometown, Northern Virginia, outside of DC. Yeah, guys can all come visit. 2, go back to Vegas. That was hella fun. I wouldn't mind that either. Or 3, hold it somewhere new. So if you have any suggestions or ideas or a venue, shoot me an email at waterfallacrylics@gmail.com and we can have a chat about it. But yeah, Bloomfest 2.0. Hope to start planning for that. Okay, with all that out of the way, and I haven't flubbed the line yet. Today we are experimenting with pearl paints as a cell activator. I have been watching my buddy Molly from Molly's Artistry, and she just put out a video a couple days ago where she swiped through some colors with the pearl paint as her cell activator mixed with Australian Floetrol, and basically she got rainbow lacing. I haven't been able to make it work. No, she uses a completely different recipe than us bloomers do, so it hasn't worked. I tried it on a white base and I've tried it on a black base, but I have some left over and I have some black house paint to kill off, so we're gonna sort of kind of give it a go. I'm not gonna worry about it too much, but let's make something pretty and interesting. Let's make something pretty interesting, right? All right, let me get you down. Hey guys, welcome to Speckle City. I am experimenting with pearl iridescent, or it's pearl paint. I can't talk today. These guys from Amsterdam, these pearl paints as a cell activator color. And I did one on white, which I knew wouldn't show up all that great. But let's try it on black. I'm just going to do 3 colors. This little 10 by 10. Been painting all afternoon, doing all kinds of weird stuff. I'm in experiment mode today. So let's just do, and I do want to blow it out with the hairdryer. So let's just do, anything left in this can? This is a garner? Pretty sure it's a garner. We'll get out every last bit. There you go. So we're just going to use some teal, some cobalt blue, and some ultramarine violet. I have black as a color. Let me put some black in too. Hold on. From another project, from a different painting. I have a little bit of black. This is mixed up. This is lamp black, you know, mixed up with my pouring medium. So it's not house paint or anything. But I can kill off this cup. Okay, so there's black as a color. And then let's put down our cell activator. So I have the pearl white. And we'll blow this out. I want some line work too. So we'll see how that goes. I want everything. Greedy pants today. All right, cool air high fans. All right. I got impatient. Could you tell? I started my usual blowout and then I just got really impatient. I'm prone to that. It's like something I need to work on is patience with the paint. I guess I'll give a puff in the middle where that CA is, right? I'm tempted to tilt because I'm in love with this whole one section. Let that collect a second. Take my time. Be all organized. Be mindful. I'm usually pretty mindful in other areas, even if I'm rushing with the hair dryer. Like I'm really good about standing like a surgeon with my hands up so I don't spill paint, and I'm able to be pretty neat. But I don't know. I'm going to give this a little spin just to get coverage. Are you though? Hold on, because if I spin, I'm going to lose the thing I like the best. So I take that back. Let's grab, my V-blade is dirty from other things I've been doing today. It's been Experiment City, my studio. I've done 4 different things. And I tried one of Shelly's like dustpan pours with the balloon recipe, and I guess I forgot to torch. And so what happened was after I filled, did all my puddles in the dustpan, I did the pour, and then everything was Bubble City. And it was ruined. All right. Let me go. The middle is not set up yet. It's still sunk in. So I'm like talking, trying to give it a minute. But I think I'm going to crush into that middle anyway. Is this what you want to do, Karen? Is it? Is it really? Are you going to do this? I guess you are. You look pretty committed. So I talk to myself. 3, 2, 1. Leave some behind, Karen. I'm going to bring that back. No, you don't like that. Do you like that? No, you don't. You're going to take more off. I didn't think I was going to, but I am. I'm just going to let it drip onto my 3, 2, 1. Yeah, just leave a little bit. Leave it drip onto my spinner so I can scoop up a little bit. Stick it on the corners since I'm out of the black. Something like that. All right, let's scrape this off a bit. And put this down. Some coverage right here. Little nighttime ocean scene. That's kind of what I had in mind when I decided to tilt. That's what I saw in this whole area. I'm like, oh, you have like the ocean at night. So let's see if I can spin for composition since I have a couple bikini corners. I think I'm going to tilt a little bit more this way because I want to keep some of the cells on. So let's go this way. And then give this a spin. 3, 2, let's stop. Let's see. It's not a good idea to do painting when the one color you need the most is the one you're out of. I don't know if that was smart. Kind of liking it though. Gonna spin for the, I know it's really hard for you guys to see, but there were some wonky corners. Me too. Let's see now, that was a pretty hard spin. And I don't want to lose like my wave, right? So let's do this. Bare spots on the side. I'm going to tilt it. This is where these get tricky because you want to keep your cells and lacing, but you want to keep your like fake horizon line. It's not a real horizon line, but it is a suggestion of it. And it's nighttime on the beach and you can't see the whole thing anyway. It's dark outside. What are you doing out here walking around in your flip-flops and your glass of wine? That's what I would be doing. Walking down the beach. And then on the way back, like if you're in a rental house or something, you're like, which house is mine? What did the lights look like? Oh, see, no, I don't want to lose those cells. I love this edge and I love this edge, but I have a wonky edge down here. Something's got to give. What am I giving up? I think I'm going to give up some cells. I'm cracking myself up. Now I want to go to the beach and walk around with a glass of wine, right? All right. I digress. One little spin for like, I don't know if you can see them here and here, but this is hella cool. Why haven't I done more like these? It's because I hardly ever use black. All right. Did I get it? I think I can live with that one. The other one in what I'm calling the sky is gone. This is a really pretty little painting, y'all. Can you see it? I think I'm going to have to get you down for a close-up of the wet results. The other thing I wanted to see that I completely forgot about is if I got any like changes from using the pearl paint as a CA. And I guess it's too soon to say, but right now I'm going to say no. But holy moly, I now want to run to Sherwin Williams and do 3 more paintings just like this. I think this is absolutely stunning. So I encourage you to really stop and stare at your composition before you do anything. Like, look for the bits that you like and think about if you can expand on it or stretch it or grow it. That's exactly what happened here. And I was telling somebody, I think I was telling a student that, you know, these videos are edited, and when I say I'm, you know, stopping and staring, it's usually a good solid 5-10 minutes before I put the camera back on, and you guys don't see that. So I'm glad I listened to my instinct, and I'll shut up now. Hey guys, I forgot to film the wet results, but here it is dry, just a little 10 by 10. I'm really sorry I didn't do this one on a big canvas. I think it would have been hella dramatic. So I'm gonna, at some point, I just need to go and get some more black paint. This is the first orientation. And I like it a lot because I think the top looks like, you know, the Northern Lights. And then this definitely looks like high or low tide coming in with all the waves and ripples. It's just that this wave part here is too close to the edge of the canvas. Like if it had been more in the middle and looked like another wave coming onto the beach at night, I think I would have liked it more. Does that make any sense? Let me flip it around the other way and see what it looks like. Ooh, I like it like this. Yeah, because now that big wave does look like it's coming onto the wet sand. And then the part that was the beach now is the sky with, like, I don't know, ripple clouds in the moonlight or something. That's what I'm seeing. The pearlescent paint did not change color at all. It's just pearl. So, and I can't get it to show up, but it is, the lacing everywhere is very sparkly, which kind of makes this. Yeah, I think I like this orientation, but let me know what you guys prefer. Or maybe what I'll do is put hanging hardware to hang it in either direction. This one will definitely get framed in resin and up on my website. Very pretty little piece. Yep. All right, that's it for me this week. You guys take care. Please go check out my website. Send me emails on where I should hold the next Bloom Fest. Cause good trouble. And if you're new, welcome. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next week. Take care. Peace out.